Animals with superpowers humans dream of. Some animals don't just survive, they defy nature itself. They regenerate limbs, change color, see heat, and even survive outer space. These creatures possess powers so extraordinary that scientists still struggle to understand them. So today, we're stepping into a world where evolution plays by no rules. A world of real-life superpowers humans can only dream of. The axolotl, the regenerator. If superheroes existed underwater, the axolotl would be one of them. Native to the lakes of Mexico, this smiling amphibian can regrow its limbs, spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. When injured, the axolotl's body doesn't scar like ours. It rebuilds. Scientists have tried to unlock its secrets for decades, hoping to apply this power to human medicine. Imagine losing a limb and watching it grow back perfectly. Nerves, muscles, bones, everything. What's more fascinating? The axolotl never ages the way we do. It stays in a youthful, larval form for its entire life. A phenomenon called neoteny. It's basically stuck in eternal youth and loving it. The mantis shrimp, the living color cannon. At first glance, it looks small and harmless, but don't be fooled. The mantis shrimp is a marine assassin equipped with vision and speed that border on science fiction. It can see 12 to 16 color channels, compared to our mere 3. That means it can detect ultraviolet, infrared, and polarized light, colors we can't even imagine. And when it strikes, the mantis shrimp punches with the force of a .22 caliber bullet, moving its claws so fast they create bubbles hotter than the surface of the sun. Scientists call it cavitation. We call it terrifying. Even its eyes operate independently, scanning the world in ways beyond our comprehension. If humans had mantis shrimp eyes, we'd see colors that don't even have names. The tardigrade, the immortal survivor. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. The closest thing we have to a real alien on Earth. These microscopic creatures can survive almost anything. Temperatures close to absolute zero, boiling water, crushing pressure deep under the ocean, radiation that would kill a human instantly, and even outer space. When conditions get extreme, they enter a hibernation-like state called cryptobiosis, shrinking into a tiny, nearly indestructible ball. They can stay like that for decades, then rehydrate and come back to life as if nothing happened. If humans could do that, we could survive interplanetary travel without needing ships full of oxygen or food. The tardigrade isn't just tough, it's a time traveler of evolution. The octopus, the master of disguise. You've seen chameleons change color, but have you ever seen an octopus become invisible? The octopus can completely alter its color, pattern, and even texture in seconds. Its skin is filled with specialized cells called chromatophores and papillae, which expand and contract to mimic the appearance of sand, coral, or even other animals. It's not just camouflage, it's artistry. The mimic octopus can imitate sea snakes, lionfish, and jellyfish, depending on what predator is nearby. But its intelligence might be its most terrifying power. Octopuses can open jars, solve puzzles, use tools, and even escape aquariums by remembering exit routes. They don't just adapt, they strategize. The electric eel, the living battery. While we rely on chargers and cables, the electric eel generates its own electricity. Up to 600 volts of it. That's enough to knock out a horse or light up a dozen light bulbs. Using specialized electric organs, it sends electric pulses to navigate, communicate, and hunt. In muddy, dark water where vision fails, electricity becomes its sixth sense. Some researchers even call it a biological taser. When it detects prey, it fires a burst of current that freezes its target in place, then strikes. Imagine if humans could control electricity the same way. We wouldn't just have smart devices, we'd be the power source, the peregrine falcon, the speed demon. If the world had a flash, it would be the peregrine falcon. When hunting, it dives at over 240 miles per hour, making it the fastest creature on Earth. Its eyes are equipped with a natural HUD, heads-up display, that stabilizes vision even during those dizzying speeds. To survive the pressure, its nostrils have special baffles, tiny cones that slow down air so the bird doesn't black out mid-dive. If humans could process visuals as quickly as a falcon, we'd see the world in slow motion, literally. The immortal jellyfish, the reset button of life. Deep in the Mediterranean, there exists a creature that laughs in the face of death. The Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish, has a secret no other animal does. It can reverse its aging process. When injured or old, it doesn't die. Instead, it reverts its cells to their earliest stage and starts life all over again. Scientists call it biological immortality. We call it cheating death. If humans had this ability, aging wouldn't be a concern. It'd be a choice. The pistol shrimp, the sonic blaster. The ocean is full of weird noises, and many come from one tiny creature with a very big punch. The pistol shrimp can snap its claw so fast it creates a bubble that explodes with 200 decibels of sound. That's louder than a gunshot. When the bubble collapses, it releases heat hotter than the sun's surface for a split second, stunning or killing prey instantly. It literally hunts with sound and pressure. If humans had that kind of sonic ability, we could shatter objects or move water using pure force. No weapons needed. So here's the question. If you could have one of these animal superpowers, which would you choose? Regeneration like the axolotl, invisibility like the octopus, or immortality like the jellyfish? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves animals as much as you do.